Hey, this is Rick Ward from Your Journey Transitions. Just a quick announcement to my viewers out there. I'll be launching a second YouTube channel, and this one will be specifically about wealth creation and managing your money. It's called Working Class Wealth Creation. It's not your typical wealth creation channel. It's not about getting rich overnight or living on the Riviera or anything like that. It's just some really practical advice on how to create more money and how to manage it, which is more important. It doesn't matter how much money you make, it's how much you keep that counts. So this channel will focus. We'll start off basically with my journey, explaining how I got into wealth creation and how I built wealth over time. I'll share everything with you, the good, the bad, the indifferent. They were all lessons, they were all good. I'll share things with you where it could save you a bit of heartache, so you don't need to lose as much money or as much sleep over bad decisions. I'm really quite excited about providing this information to you all. So I hope you check out the channel and it's of value to you. So let's have a look at that channel trailer right now. Are you wanting to grow your personal wealth through investing, but don't know where to start? Were you raised in a family where money was never talked about or talked about negatively? Are you the first generation to want to develop your wealth to a level where you will no longer need to be a slave to your job or to spend your retirement years worrying about money? Then this channel's for you. Follow me as I explain all that's required to create, manage, and retain wealth. Hi, my name is Rick Ward, and I'm an employee, an investor, and entrepreneur. As an investor, I've created a multi-million-dollar property and stock portfolio while continuing to work in a job that I love. As a professional investor, I lost more money than my father had made in a lifetime, and that was largely due to learning by trial and error and this was aided by my working class mindset. I had to learn how to think like an investor, how to think like the wealthy. It wasn't an environment I grew up in, so I had to create that for myself. And the effect of that was I'd lost money that would need to be lost had somebody had trained me. I want to share all the lessons that I had to learn the hard way, the things that made me millions and the things that caused me to lose money and caused many sleepless nights. If you're willing to take on these lessons and apply them to your own journey, this can create a level of wealth that will open your eyes to things that many could not even imagine and shield yourself from many of the stresses that are caused by living a life outside the norm, outside the rat race that others know as life. On this channel, I'll share my journey case study by case study, including all the lessons made from every deal. Every deal has a story, every story has a lesson. Whether that's a positive lesson or a negative lesson, they're all lessons that need to be learned if you want to be a first-generation wealth creator. I'll teach you the mindset to become a professional investor and to succeed at a whole new level. I will share all the mistakes I made and how I do differently if I was just starting out today. And I'll provide you with some custom tools that will help you identify deals, how to analyze deals, and how to manage that wealth once it's created. And most importantly, how to retain your wealth, not only for your own benefit, for the benefit of your children and future generations. It's no good about how much money you make, it's how much you keep that counts. As a first-generation wealth creator, we are disadvantaged by having the environment and education that the wealthy have. My intent for this channel is to level that playing field, to make first-generation wealth creation a possibility for anybody. Until next time, this is Rick Ward, your working class wealth guide, helping you create, manage, and retain your first-generation wealth. So this channel sound interesting to you? I hope you'll join me and subscribe to the channel. Feel free to contact me for any input you might have on that. On my email account, workingclasswealthcreations@gmail.com, or through social media, LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and of course, my website, workingclasswealthcreations.com. So this is Rick Ward, working with you for a better financial future.